Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your credit card on American Express. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in americanexpress.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for American Express Bank. Now from the homepage, hover over to cards and then click on it and then choose your appropriate card. You can then click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login portal. Just type in your username that you have set up while creating your account within the user ID box and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your American Express account. Once you have been logged in, you can hover over to your card and you will find the cancel option. If you don't find this option, you can click on the help option alongside the login button and then underneath the call or write section, click on contact us and then choose the personal card option and then choose the appropriate phone number to call in order to get the assistance to cancel your card. Once you get in touch with the support team, you can simply mention that you wish to cancel your card and you will be given the instructions that you can follow in order to move forward with this. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to cancel your credit card on American Express. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.